today we're going to count and find the letter A's. So what we're going to do is, for this activity, you will need a crayon or a marker or some sort of coloring implement. On the top, it does say name, so you can put your name on the top. Here's my name. It says, let's count the A's. So we have this boy or man, and he has letters all around him. So we're going to find those A's and we're going to color them in. As we find them, we are going to be coloring in the numbers as well. So I see one right on his hat, so I'm going to color that in. Just going to color it like that. And then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to color the number 1 because we just found one. And make sure you're trying to stay in the lines. Okay, there's number 1. I'm going to look again. Oop, I see an A right here, so I'm going to color that one in. So there's my A. You're going to color it in too. Your sheet should look like mine. Okay, now because we found another 2, we're going to, so we have 1, 2. 1, 2. So now we have to color in the 2. And again, I'm going to be very careful to stay in the lines. If you go out a little bit, that's okay, but we want to try really carefully to stay in the lines. A little bit sometimes happens, like right there. I did a little bit, that's okay, but then I stopped myself. I don't want to color in the 3 yet because we're not there. Okay, so this is a C, so we're not going to count that. We found that A. Oop, there's an R. We found that A. There's a K. Oop, there's an A. So we're going to color that in. So there's the A. Now I have 3 A's. 1, 2, 3. So now I need to make sure I color in that number 3, because that shows how many I found so far. And we're keeping track as we go. So there's my 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we know the C. We're not coloring in. We color that one in. We're not coloring the R in. We found that A. That's a K. There's the A. Oh, there's an S. Oh, right there, there's an A. So we're going to color that one in. And when we're done coloring that in, we're going to color that 4 in. Because now we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one can go 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So there's 4. Okay, and then we're going to look down here. Oh, I see an A in the puddle. I'm going to color that in. I don't need to color the whole puddle. I'm just going to color the A. If you want to color the whole puddle, you can color the whole puddle. So then I'm going to color in that 5 because that's my 5th A I found. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to look at my picture again. Well, there's a Z. Oh, but there's an A. His shirt has an A on it. So I'm going to color that A. Okay. So then I'm going to color in the 6. That is my 6th A I found. Then I'm going to re-look over my sheet. I think we found them all. So then down here it says, there are blank A's. I'm going to look at our graph, and we can see that there are 6. So we're going to write 6 in that box. When we make a 6, we start at the top, we swerve around and go all the way back. Let's count all the A's we see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, this number matches this number, which matches this number. Good job. Give yourselves a pat on the back and a great big hug for a job well done.